welcome. I know I've been gone for a little bit. Obviously, I'm Tyler with Rushing's Firearm Rescue, and this is where I've been. We have been working as hard as we possibly can to get our shop up and started. As you can see, we have some inventory in, quite a bit of used stuff. We're still looking to get new in. But this is where we've been. We are currently getting ready for the biggest antique gun show in the world coming up in January, I believe the 21st to the 23rd in Las Vegas at the Westgate Hotel. Let me show you around a little bit. Obviously this is going to be my front lobby. We have this rack here set up so that if you want to come in, we have quite a few different guns, randoms. You're going to see stuff like this where we have this beautifully engraved Marlin 410 lever action. Obviously, it's beautiful. Then come on over here. We'll set that guy down. You can grab this. Here is one of the weirdest Garands that I've ever seen. Detachable box magazine. Who doesn't want that? You got a 30-06 still running in a Garand. But now we have detachable box mags. Everything's fun about that. Next to that, I got a Frank Wesson carbine, 32 rimfire. It's a pretty amazing gun. It's something that you really don't see at the everyday gun shop. That's what we're gonna try to do, is have a little bit of everything. So if you wanna come in and check out super old stuff, we got it. You want a full custom built Defiance Action 6.5 Creedmoor with a carbon fiber barrel, we got it. I got an all original numbers matching RPK from 1966. This is Romanian and it is all original besides my suppressor mount on the front, because who doesn't like suppressed guns? And if you like Cerakote, boy do we got you. We do crazy Cerakote. This being my mom's shotgun, you can tell because it says world's greatest shooter lady, and she is. We got something for everyone, but that's not the best part. We got so much antique ammo that is incredibly hard to find. If your grandpa passes away, leaves you some random lever gun, and you can't find the ammo, give me a call, I bet I can. Now if you come on over here, one of my favorite parts about the entire store is my vault. We have a Mosler 2 combo safe vault door. You come on in here, it's nice and cool, it's my favorite. You can see we're not completely set up yet. We are planning to make this a fine gun room, but it's pretty fine right now to me. A little bit of everything. So we got random SIG 22s, I got CZs, I got Hammerly, I got Merwin Holberts, high standard Model 10s, I got FN Cape guns, drillings, that cheap thing. I got a cane gun. I got a 9mm Tavor, still brand new in the box. Let's see, what else do we got? Something for everyone. One of my favorite guns personally that's in this shop, not for sale, is gonna be this Colt 1903. It's chambered in 32 rimless, or 32 automatic for most. Boy, in that light, you can sure see that niter blue pop. This is a gun that my grandmother owned a store in somewhere in California during the Prohibition, and she traded a bottle of whiskey for this gun, and it has stayed in my family since, and it's going to stay in the family. Other thing that we're gonna be doing, randoms, I'm a knife guy. I like Microtech knives, I like Benchmade knives. We're gonna have a little bit of everything from Chris Reeves, Microtech, Heretic, Benchmade, everything that you can imagine, but except for cheap. I want you guys to come in, get quality stuff with quality prices, and really, we're here for you. So come see us. Like I said, we're gonna be at the antique show. I think we have 2 tables we have to get ready and fill up, so come see us if you wanna sell anything, or if you wanna buy, come see me at the show. Our shop is at 140 North Moapa Valley Boulevard in Overton, Nevada. See you guys soon. Thank you.